Okay, guys, you're not going to believe it. They are selling Splash Mountain water on eBay. Check out these listings here. Disney Splash Mountain water from 122.23. If you just search Splash Mountain water on eBay, you'll pull up these listings. Check this out. There's 24 bids on this listing already. It's up to $102. Look at all these bids. This is just crazy. What are these people thinking? Bid after bid after bid. Look, here's pull up another one here. Here's one Disney Splash Mountain candle made from the Splash Mountain water. People are doing this stuff. That one has no bids right now. Let's look at another one. Splash Mountain water. Look at this, right in a bottle that they took from the park, supposedly. The last day of Splash Mountain. Again, this is Splash Mountain at Magic Kingdom in Florida. This is not Disneyland. Here's another one, Splash Mountain water. Here's a bag. Everyone's jumping on board on this. Get in board with this Splash Mountain water. Let's see how many bids are on this. Free shipping starts at $17. The bag of water from Disney World Splash Mountain. We are at 6 bids already. 6 bids. It's just a bag with writing on it. Here's another one. Here's a jar. This jar, Splash Mountain. All right, how many bids on this? They have multiple jars. We are at 13 bids already, and we have 6 days to go. This is nuts. I cannot believe there's bids on this. This is just crazy. Here's one for $1,000. A jar of Splash Mountain water. Genuine. Look at this one. Says it's from 2021 even. So they've had this for a while, supposedly. No bids on that one yet. Here's more. $50 listing, Splash Mountain jar of water. Crazy, crazy kind of a stuff. Look at this top one here. Splash Mountain bag. Have a zippity-doo-ah day with water. Now you gotta look at this one's hilarious. $25,000. It is a bag of tap water from their sink. But then they have a Splash Mountain bag. And they're a Disney fan. But they gotten some interesting, and it's just a joke, it looks like, on this one. But very, very funny. Anyway, can't believe it.